Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. Do you want to learn how to make $100 a week on Clickbank while you work, while you sleep, completely for free? I'm going to share with you my Clickbank marketing strategy here in just a minute. But before we get to it, let me show you how I make, on average, at least in the last 30 days, $100 a week on Clickbank. Let me refresh this. You can see this is only like in the last 3 weeks. It's not every single day, but the last 30 days before this, it was more like 190 a week because it was like 775 for the month. So you can see that this strategy does work and it is completely free. So I'm going to share it with you. I've shared it in other videos, but I just want to reiterate that I think that YouTube is the best way to market, at least for myself, Clickbank products. And the way that I do this is I create videos about reviews, about different topics, and then if I feel that that Clickbank product is legitimate, like a really good product that will help people, then at the end I'll have a call to action. If you want to pick up this particular product, click on the first link in the description below the video. And that's how I've made a lot of sales. There's another way that I do it as well through my YouTube videos. Let me show you. My number one recommendation here, if you actually I've changed out the link here, but what you can do is have a lead capture page that takes you to Facebook Messenger, and then you can have a conversation with people over there and find out like what really they are wanting and really have an in-depth conversation with them, not trying to sell them something, but seeing like why do they want to build a home-based business, what are their main struggles, and then ask them, if I could show you how to do XYZ and be able to solve that problem, would you be interested in learning about this? And then most people say yes, and then I will introduce them to whatever product that I think will help solve their problem. So you become a problem solver and not somebody who's just trying to sell something, because a lot of people come to me and say, I'm not making any sales on Clickbank, I'm desperate to make money. Well, that's first of all the wrong approach, because I learned many months ago when I started back on YouTube from my mentor that don't worry about making money, and obviously that's what we want to do, but when you focus on helping people, then it will just come. And YouTube is a long-term strategy. You're not going to start making sales on Clickbank right away, but when you start to put out quality content and people start to follow you and know, like, and trust you, then they will buy from you. But if you're somebody who's just trying to make money, I think people can sense that, first of all, and they can sense the desperation. But if you're out there putting good quality, telling people about certain products, doing product reviews, that's how I've made most of my sales online, and I've made some good money this last year because of this strategy. So let's go ahead and take a look. If you go inside of Clickbank here, of course you're going to go to the marketplace. You can do, if you click on just the icon here, it's going to give you all the top products in all of Clickbank. But if you're in the make money online niche, obviously you're going to go to let's see, what is it, e-business and marketing, and you can see the top one here is going to be Clickbank University. Now people ask me too, what do you have to buy the product? I do purchase a lot of the products, and that's really the best way that you can do it. But I will show you a couple channels that do not purchase any products. The first one is Aaron Chen, is his name, Internet Marketing Reviews, and you can take a look at his channel here. Obviously you're not going to copy his videos, but you can get an idea of how he structures his videos, where he does not purchase the product, but he still has a lot of value to give, and he gives his honest opinion on these. Some of them are companies, some of them are Clickbank products. This Money Looper is a Clickbank product. I think I did one on that. Another person is can't remember his name, but his channel is Digital Millionaire. So if you come here, he actually kind of changed from doing a lot of product reviews to doing some other type of make money online videos. But if you go here and just type in reviews or review, it'll take you to all his reviews. I think some of these he may have gotten like a review copy. I tried to from John and Kristani, but they didn't allow that. That's an expensive product here. But I did do a review on this, and I didn't purchase it. But you can see his reviews here. Sale Who, that's a Clickbank product. Profit 24/7, that's a Clickbank product. So you can kind of take a look because he does not purchase them as either. But you do become a lot more authentic if you can actually show some of the back office, especially if it's a product that you're going to promote. I would definitely recommend that you do purchase the product, but again, it's not absolutely necessary. So then what you do is you have a call to action. You basically just review the product. I give a walk through the back office. I do the pros and the cons, and then I put a link in the description and have a call to action. And something that I'm going to be working on in 2020 that I know will help conversions is offering bonuses, because obviously that's going to help people make a decision. So I know that these numbers here will definitely increase. And this last month I've not been focusing as much because I'm in the process of moving. We live in Texas. I'm going to be moving to Las Vegas. I'm looking for a new job. There's just, I still work full-time as a physical therapist, so there's a lot of changes. We're going to be renting out our house, and there's just a lot going on in my life. So these numbers aren't as big. But when you have a lot of videos out there like I do, you can come home from work and see a commission. You can wake up, I think one morning when we were in Las Vegas for a couple weeks, just kind of trying out and seeing if my daughter would do better there. I woke up and it was like over $200 sale on Clickbank. So you can have all these videos out there and you can be doing whatever. And once you make them, then obviously you can continue to make sales. So yes, it does take work. It's going to take some time, but it's definitely worth it if you want to make consistent money on Clickbank. And there are other ways that you can make money besides YouTube. There's other free marketing methods. And I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video to my Clickbank playlist. And there's things like free advertising sites. You can advertise on Twitter, but my number one method is YouTube. And the other reason for that is that once you get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're going to be able to apply for the Google AdSense revenue. And this isn't very much, but I'm just getting started in March. But this is what I've made this year. I think my top day was like $27. And with the strategies that I'm going to be implementing in 2020, this is going to go up tremendously next year, I anticipate, because of the things that I'm learning and the things that I'm implementing. But that's just another reason that you want to start a YouTube channel to promote Clickbank products, because video is the best way to get across to people. They get to know, like, and trust you, and that's when people buy from you. So I just wanted to share this with you because a lot of people struggle to sell on Clickbank, and this is completely free, so that's all profit right here. I didn't spend any money on advertising, and I think it's a great way to get the word out there and have these videos playing, while you're sleeping, while you're at work. And the other thing that I wanted to mention too is I have a lot of people come to me also that have just this desperation mindset, and you have to have a certain way that you think in order to make money online. And I share this in some of my other videos, but I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video to my tips for programming your mind for success. And I just added this video here, is morning affirmations, and these are affirmations about being grateful and about being prosperous, and it is incredibly powerful. If you could just put in like earbuds while you're going about your day, you clean up the kitchen or whatever, it's incredible. In the comments below this video are people that said amazing things started happening to them when they started listening to these affirmations, because they just started thinking more prosperous. So I hope you guys found some value in this Clickbank product marketing review, strategy that I was sharing with you of how I do it. And if you guys have any questions, make sure you leave in the comments below the video. And again, I'll leave a link to the playlist for all my Clickbank training videos. And also, if you'd like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you'd like. I have my contact information below if you need to contact me for any reason. With that being said, this is Karen Miro signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.